Introducing BIKI, the world's very first bionic underwater drone. Driven by a 4K UHD camera, bionic caudal fin, and a streamlined body design. Operate BIKI via your smart device or remote control. It's simple to learn and easy to use. Just turn it on and throw it into the water. BIKI will automatically balance itself. Go fishing with BIKI. Put it into the water. With the bionic design, it won't spook any marine life. Record your fishing experience with BIKI's 4K Ultra HD camera. Also, the BIKI's cute design. How about some underwater Quidditch? With the built-in obstacle avoidance system, BIKI can dodge automatically before hitting any obstructions. Use BIKI to play with your kids. They're gonna love it. And the caudal fin is 100% safe. You can also set up a route to free your hands. And you can watch your kids anytime. Oh, and at any time if BIKI is low on power or losing signal, it will come back to the surface. The GPS positioning system will lead it back to the launch spot. Get into the water with BIKI. The waterproof controller can help you control BIKI while underwater you can access. Take underwater selfies with your friends. Capture the moments of your life and share it right away. With BIKI,